to the channel. Today we have an interesting video. This is going to be how to properly pressure clean and seal concrete pavers. So we have this beautiful area here to be, which is fairly clean already. So we're going to be pressure cleaning and clear sealing with a protective and waterproofing sealer. So just gonna get all the gear set up at the moment, and yeah, I'll check in with you guys, kind of show you some updates and show you how we do it in the industry. Pressure cleaning on the pavers done, so we're going to go and rinse everything off now and get ready to seal. So a good tip when you are rinsing, especially on a machine with high literage per minute, it is so good to just turn up the machine a bit to get a bit more power, so you can rinse quicker and get out of the job a little bit quicker, so you can do the next one. So what I'm going to do is try my best to keep the dirt going into the pool. It is quite difficult because the pavers do slope towards the pool, so I'm going to try my best not to get the pool dirty. It is slightly dirty, but yeah, that's just the nature of, I guess, pressure cleaning next to a swimming pool. Yeah. something that a lot of people don't do is pay attention to how to keep your customer's house safe. An example of this would be these entrances here, things like that. Things like that. It's best to generally just avoid spraying water directly into stuff like that. Switches, power points, anything that's gonna just be a little bit problematic if water gets into, so just be mindful of that when you are cleaning. If I was soft washing and kind of cleaning the exterior facade, I would probably bag those bits up or tape them up. I am doing a little job and I'm not spraying water into it, so I'm just going to proceed with a little bit of caution. Just, it's good to be proactive when you are doing stuff like that. So we are finished, pressure cleaning done, nice and clean, rinsed off. We're going to pack up the gear and get ready to start spraying the sealer down. The sealer I'm going for is the SIlaSeal-C, and essentially what it is a water repellent protective clear sealer. So the good thing that I love about this is that I don't have to wait until the surface dries. Essentially, I'm able to spray the surface minutes after cleaning, as long as it's not pooling with water from the pressure cleaning, and it soaks right into the surface of the pavers and creates an invisible seal, which is water repellent, so it stops your surface getting dirtier quicker. So we're all finished with the job. Took about 3.5 hours, less than that. We're just walking around the back end of the property so I don't walk on the sealed surface, but we're going to try and do a little water bead test just to see if the sealer has absorbed into the surface and is working. So we're just coming up to it now, and I'm hoping that I can show you the effect of the sealer in action and essentially the water beading properties. So here is the sealed surface. This is an unsealed surface, just to see what happens when the water's poured on it. So the water is absorbing into the surface. Maybe this one is a bit better. So the water has absorbed into the surface. That's an unsealed surface. Now with the SIlaSeal, the water actually beads on the surface, so it doesn't absorb. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was a day in the life of a pressure cleaning and sealing job. So yeah, we started with the surface preparation, which was the pressure cleaning. Pressure cleaning removes all of the contaminants from the surface, which essentially makes the sealer penetrate a lot better. So once we pressure cleaned that, we waited for the surface to dry slightly, and then we sprayed the SIlaSeal-C, which is your water-based clear sealer, essentially making sure that the water doesn't penetrate the surface but allows the water to bead, so it won't get moldy and dirty, etc. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, see you in the next one.